Welcome! In front of me I have FITBIT Inspire 2 and I'm gonna show you how to force restart this Smartband. To force restart this Smartband you will need a charging cable that was provided with it. Looks like this. We have the charging base and the USB end of the cable which we need to plug into a charging brick or into a computer, basically to provide the power. Once you have the charging cable, plug the Smartband into a charger simply by aligning the pins on the base and the Smartband. Then clip it in like this. Once the Smartband is clipped into a charger, you can plug in the second end of the charger into a power brick or computer to provide the power. I have the USB extension cable plugged into a power brick, so I'm gonna just plug it into this cable like this, and as you can see now the Smartband is charging. And once it's charging, you need to press the side buttons or other touch sensitive buttons on the side of the Smartband. You have two of them on the left and right. You need to press and hold them and keep holding them until you see the smiling face on the screen. So let's press and hold the buttons, keep holding them, and once you see the smiling face on the screen, you can release the touch sensitive buttons and wait until you see the watch face on the screen, basically until the device is done rebooting, like this. And that's how you force restart this device. Once you're done, you can unplug it from the charger, like that. And that's about all. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.